Hello, this is Sunil Dirsanchu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the basic concepts of Hive. So what is Hive? Hive is a OLAP database sitting on top of Hadoop file system. So using Hive, you could write SQL queries as if like you write in Oracle, Netezza, in all other databases, and you can interact with Hadoop using Hive. So basically, we have a Hive interpreter within the Hive architecture, and the SQL queries you write will be decoded into a map and reduce jobs, and it will process the queries that you write on top of Hive. So let's get into Hive. So I'm logging into the Hive. This is my virtual machine, and then logging into my Hive. So I'm on the terminal and the type Hive, and then I'll be logging into the Hive in like just a couple of seconds. I apologize for the noise that's coming from my laptop sound, since it's running on a virtual machine. It's using its most of its capacity, and hence my laptop CPU fan is turned on. So Hive, right? And let me see what kind of databases we have, and I have access to it. So these are the databases for those I have access. So I would like to drop the database which is already existing. So this is the command you use, drop database pattern. So in case if the database has any tables inside it, and this is the command that you may need to use, because without dropping the tables you cannot drop the database. So hence, in order to wipe out all the tables existing within the database, you need to use a cascade as a suffix, so that you could terminate, you could drop all the tables including the database. So I just dropped the database, and I'm going to create it again using a statement called create database pattern. Okay, I just created it. Now let me see if I have any tables by using a command show tables. So there are none. So what I'm going to do today is create a table. I have a text file. I have a delimited text file sitting in my desktop, and I'm going to load that file into my table, right? So I'm going to create a table, create table customer. It's cust ID. The data type of it is customer ID is int, and then customer last name, and it's a string, and it's customer first name, and it's again string, followed by customer age and int, followed by customer occupation. So it's a string, right? So just check if that matches with our structure. Customer ID, first name, last name, first name, age, and then occupation. So that's what we have. And my row formats are delimited, and then followed by my fields are terminated by a comma. Okay, and I'm going to store this table as text file. Okay, so I just created a table, and I'm going to describe the structure of the table using the describe customer. The SQL commands are pretty much similar to the open source database MySQL, and most likely you could use everything that is supported by the MySQL, unlike some commands like top, limit, something like that. So let's not get into more detail. So I just created a table, and I'm going to load the data that's in my the file into this. So load data, and it's residing in the local server, so that's why I'm specifying local in path. Okay, I'm going to tell Hive that in what path I have the file. So this is the file, and I'm going to properties. This is the location I have the file located, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then the name of the file is cus. Okay, and I'm going to close it, and I have to load this into the table customer, which I have just created, ends with a semicolon. Let's see what happened. So the table got loaded in 0.562 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to write a basic select statement on the table. See, there are 9,999 records got loaded. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in next video. Thank you.